Welcome to part 10 of Linux Zero to Expert. Every server you'll ever touch lives on a network, and the network is down is the second most common crisis you'll face. So today we make you dangerous with 4 ideas: addresses, reachability, ports, and the debugging ladder that connects them. You'll learn IP and ping, meet curl, the command that talks to websites and APIs, and see who's listening on which port of your machine. By the end, it's not working becomes a checklist, not a panic. Let's get connected. Start with identity. IP, short for address. List your network interfaces and their IPs. You're looking for the init line, something like 192.168.1.42. That's your private address on the local network. IP shows your route. The default gateway is the door every packet leaves through, usually your router. Important distinction: that private address is not what the internet sees. Your public IP is revealed by curl ifconfig.me. A first taste of curl, more in a minute. And when old tutorials say ifconfig, that's the retired ancestor. IP replaced it, but knowing the name helps you read old answers. Now the ladder that turns panic into procedure. Something's not working? Climb in order. Step 1. Ping your gateway. If that fails, the problem is your machine or Wi-Fi. Step 2. Ping 8.8.8.8, Google's DNS server, by raw number. If that works, the internet itself is reachable. Step 3. Ping google.com by name. If the number worked but the name fails, your internet is fine and DNS is broken. Engrave this, because it's the punchline of half of all outages. Step 4. Curl the actual application. Each rung isolates one layer. Use -C4 so ping stops after 4 attempts, and dig shows you exactly what number a name resolves to. Meet curl, the browser that lives in your terminal, and one of the most used tools in all of tech. Point it at a URL, and it fetches pages, files, API responses. -I asks for just the headers, and the status code is the verdict. 200 means OK. 404 means not found. 500 means the server itself is broken. You'll check services this way constantly. Curl really shines with APIs. -X sets the method, -D sends data, -H adds headers, meaning you can test any API by hand before writing a line of code. Health checks, webhooks, download scripts, debugging. Curl is daily life. Its cousin Git specializes in downloads, but curl does it all. Last concept: ports. One machine has one IP but thousands of numbered doors, and each service listens at its own. SSH at 22, web at 80 and 443, Postgres at 5432. Memorize those, their vocabulary. The doorman command is ss-tulpn. It lists exactly who is listening on which door. Read the address column carefully. 0.0.0 means open to the whole world, while 127.1 means localhost only, a huge security difference for things like databases. And when your app cries, address already in use, SS reveals the squatter on your port, so you can kill it or move. That completes the picture for SSH. Next video. Part 10 done. The network is no longer a mystery. You know your addresses. You climb the 4-rung ladder instead of panicking. You talk to any API with curl, and SS shows you every open door on the machine. Homework: run the full ladder right now. Gateway 8888, Google by name. Then curl-I your favorite site, and run ss-tulpn to meet your own listeners. Next is the big one, part 11. SSH, connecting to servers anywhere on Earth. Key-based logins that beat passwords, copying files across machines, and the config tricks professionals use daily. See you there.